Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find result in Microsoft Excel in a simple way. So let's start it. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then issue the then names and score and result. Now find the result and passed and failed. So get firstly select your result option icon. Now for click, then keyboard press from the equal if first bracket count select score and press then equal 14 comma double quotation pass double quotation comma again double quotation fail double quotation and first bracket cross. Now click for the control enter. That's okay. Now select the all. That's okay. Then I show the final result in the Microsoft Excel in pass and fail. Let's Mahmoud 98 score in the past. Arab 56 score into the past. Mohin 35 score in the fail. That's okay. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for